njalo mihla namalanga nakulalela umculo wakho abantwana bakithi bavele bajabule. Ngifisa sengathi ungaqhubeka njalo, ungayinaki inkulumo zabantu ukuthi bathini. Wena qhuba ngempilo, naledi aphiwe. I feel like you are the strong influencer to ama-2000. I want you to carry on with the music. Noma ngazami isilungu, I know I'm not perfect to English, but I'm really trying. Even when you see my poem, you don't skip. I'm trying to be motivated. I'm trying to telling you and appreciate the way you are. Ungabanaki abantu ukuthi bathini. Qhubeka wena njalo ngomculo wakho. You are a beautiful woman, you are a beautiful girl to ama-2000. I feel like you are my partner or what. But noma ngingafisa njalo ngeke uze kweneke because usebuzini. And I feel like uzonginaka noma unginaka. Ayikhona bafethu, hayi ukuthi ngifune i-attention entokazi yinhle. And yenza kahle umculo wakho. Every time nangulalela nami ngivele ngisakaze. Noma bangathi ngizama ukuthi uyinakisa kwena, bathi ngifuna ukuthi umsebenzi wakho muhle. By Arcade Poets.